Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today we're going to be talking about August Yarn Bingo. Yeah, so I got, what was it, one bingo? Yep. I was one away from a number of bingos, but the only one I got was this one right here. Sorry, Pippin's in here and he's like all over the place. If you haven't already heard, I still don't know how to fix where it's trying to make me look unreal. I don't look like a Barbie in real life. Yeah, so the auto filter's still on here. So if you get like the bubble behind my head where it tries to like get my baby hairs out of the way and things like that, sorry. Hopefully it's not that bad. Now Pippin's run off and is clawing boxes. Yay. I do have one project I can't show you guys. It will be part of my show and tell that will be up this weekend. But it is a test pattern for Amber over at Ooh Ah Crochet. And I don't want to spoil the surprise of her pattern release. Or at least not what the pattern is. Pippin's going crazy over there. Anywho. So, as I've done in months previous, I'm going to go across each row. So, the first one was create a Christmas gift. Franken pot holder number 1. I hand things like this out as gifts all the time. I also have a couple of people on my family Christmas gift list that these are the kind of things they're asking for. So the next one is, number 2 is the one for this one. It's actually in my desk drawer. I have like 3 more rows left to go on it. As they are scrappy, I'm using my scraps as I go. So this one was finish a whip, which is the second one. Work on a blanket project. I'm just going to keep picking up the stack of these. So this is a bunch of 6-inch squares. A number of us that have become friends between the YouTube space and on Zoom and stuff. We are working on a project where we are building a blanket. Everybody's donating 6-inch squares. One of the other ladies didn't have any blue. I didn't have any red. So I'm doing all the blue. She's doing all the red, but it's supposed to be 2 red, 2 blue, 2 white. We're going to have the blanket auctioned off and the proceeds will go to one of our friends' designated VA hospitals. The next row, the first thing I got is finish a whip. So one of my little jellyfish from my Crochet Society box. There. The next one is create your own pattern for an item. And that would be my accidental dishcloth. I still have not written the pattern for this yet, but this was supposed to be a jar cozy that never curled, so it's now an accidental dishcloth. Send a card to a yarny friend. Well, a bunch of us got together and sent Cindy Settles over at Cindy Hertz Crochet a big birthday present where we all contributed to the birthday present, and I am actually the one who made the card, so I sent her a card. Share an amigurumi pattern in the group. I did. I shared the pattern for Jeffrey the Eggnog. So that was my contribution there. On row 3, create a drink or jar cozy. Hence why I was trying to do the jar cozy. I used one of my scraps to make a cup cozy. I still have not picked a button for it. And I still apparently have not woven in my finished end. With the move and everything, a lot of things are just getting kind of thrown in boxes, especially before people want to come in and see the house. So I'm not really like paying attention to where things are and getting certain finishing items done. Start a fall project. All I can do is show you like this much of it because I don't want to spoil the surprise. But like I said, I am getting, right after this, I will be filming my show and tell video for this week. and I will show it there. Amber is going to have a big release on it, and I'm so excited. I got to be a test knitter or crocheter. The next space was free space. Finish a whip is the other jellyfish, so like I said, there too. The fourth row, I did actually work on a scarf or cowl, but it's a project I've been working on a long time, so I didn't actually mark that block as done because I still didn't get it finished like I'd hoped I would. So the one that I actually did get, the next one was finish a whip. That would be 2 of these. Next one is create a headband or ear warmer. That would be my headband from the Crochet Society box. Create a Christmas gift. If you joined me for my 1,000 subscriber birthday vlogiversary my big live extravaganza, many of you guys saw me working on this project, which is a Christmas gift for my mother. Once she joined in, I knew that once she saw the color and knew it was a blanket, it was going to be for her. So hate to ruin the surprise, but the next row, learn a new stitch. That was these blocks. There were new stitches involved in this. Actually, this month I did a lot of new stitches and learned a lot of secrecy hacks in my projects. Create a shawl. Many of you guys have seen me working on this, and I couldn't wait until I showed my presents to start playing with this. But this is the yarn that Karen from KB Fibers spun and gave to me for my birthday. And I did finish my Canyon drop shawl. It is big enough for a shawl. I will wear this as a scarf most likely. I really love the shape, and I really don't think I could have picked a better pattern for showing how gorgeous the yarn itself is. I'm just blown away about how pretty this turned out and how pretty the yarn is. I'm over the moon. And it's so squishy. The last one is finish a whip. And this is actually one of the kits that I got from Blueprint. This is the lavender basket kit. I will discuss that a little bit more in my show and tell video, but that was the final finished object for that. This month I've already got like 3 things done, so I'm actually kind of pleased with myself so far as that. I don't really use this to dictate my projects beyond, you know, when you're working on big projects and you just need something that's a simple win, a little win. I do use the yarn bingo to kind of kick that off generally. Finishing a whip is easy, especially with like the projects for, you know, me trying to work down my cotton stash and things like that, which, by the way, I am making far more progress than I thought I was doing. Excuse me. I'm quite pleased with how much cotton I've worked down this year. And there are lots of little things like this month. One of them was for the September card is make a pot holder set. And one of the things I had sitting there were a couple matching balls of yarn that would be perfect to do a pot holder and a lid lifter and maybe a dishcloth out of what's left over. So like I use it for inspiration for those little quick wins that you need kind of interspersed in between your more difficult, more thinking projects. And it also has kind of helped me to like kick into gear doing the things I know I want to do but haven't gotten around to doing yet. So I'm kind of enjoying things like that. I will link Llama Mama Kayla's channel down below. I will also directly link the video for September's Yarn Bingo down below. Follow the instructions. She has all the information there on her video. She also has a Facebook group dedicated to the Yarn Bingo. So I would highly recommend coming and joining. It's a lot of fun. I am incredibly grateful that Kayla has decided to do this year. I know with her time and health, it's been a little difficult to keep up, but she's doing a fantastic job. So I hope you guys come and join us for the month of September. I look forward to seeing you real soon. Bye.